Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Viqua D4 bulb is probably one of the most crucial components of your UV water disinfection system. Over time, the bulb's effectiveness diminishes, and it needs to be replaced to ensure your water remains free from harmful microorganisms. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Viqua D4 replacement bulb, covering its importance, replacement process, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. LSE Lighting UV Bulb and Sleeve Combo Kit. This combo kit from LSE Lighting is designed to replace parts in your Viqua systems. It includes a UV bulb, a protective sleeve, and O-rings. This ensures your water system continues to operate effectively. This kit features a high-performance UVC lamp with a 254 nanometers wavelength. It's designed for enhanced durability and energy efficiency. This lamp will help to keep your water clean and safe. The 43-watt lamp is part of the LSE Lighting SuperLife series. It offers an extended operational lifespan of up to 12,000 hours. This means fewer replacements and long-term reliability for your water system. The lamp is approximately 15.5 inches long, including the metal connector pins. This standardized length ensures proper fit and compatibility. Always verify the length to guarantee accurate replacement. The kit includes everything you need for maintenance: a UVC replacement bulb, a quartz glass sleeve, and durable silicone O-rings. This comprehensive kit ensures a leak-free seal and seamless maintenance of your UV system. These are high-quality, compatible brand components manufactured by LSE Lighting. While not OEM parts, they meet or exceed original model standards. They offer seamless compatibility and dependable operation. What we like. This combo package includes everything you need for a seamless replacement. It offers an extended lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacements. If you are looking for a cost-effective and reliable solution, this is the perfect choice for your water system. What people say. Delivered fast and priced right. Worked as stated in description. I have a D4 Viqua and it fits just fine. The replacement was super easy. I am happy with the product thus far. Number 4. Viqua 602805 Replacement UV Lamp. This is a genuine OEM replacement part. It is designed specifically for your water system. Using this part ensures the system functions as intended. UV light weakens over time. After a year, it's not strong enough to properly treat your water. Replacing it annually is crucial for optimal performance. This lamp is designed to last for a full year. You only need to replace it annually to maintain the effectiveness of your water treatment system. This replacement lamp is specifically designed for Pelican water UV systems. Make sure this is the correct part for your system before installation. This lamp is compatible with D4, D4 Plus, and D4 Premium systems. It's a perfect fit for these models, ensuring your water remains clean and safe. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, ensuring compatibility and reliability. You should replace it annually to maintain optimal system performance. If you prioritize the quality and performance of your water treatment system, this is the right choice. What people say. The replacement light fits exactly. It functions perfectly. The light works as it should. It is easy to install if you follow the installation instructions. Fits every time and lasts the whole year. These UV lamps are the original OEM lamps. Number 3. Viqua S810RL Replacement Lamp for Water Treatment. This is a genuine Viqua replacement lamp. It's designed specifically for your water treatment system, ensuring the best performance and water quality. After a year of use, the UV light inside weakens. This means it's not strong enough to properly treat your water anymore. Replacing it annually is crucial. By replacing the lamp with a genuine Viqua lamp, you ensure your system continues to work at its best. This guarantees worry-free water for you and your family. These replacement UV lamps are essential for maintaining the effectiveness of your water treatment system. They are easy to install and provide peace of mind. With the Viqua S810RL replacement lamp, you can have confidence in the quality of your water. It's a simple step to ensure your water is properly treated. What we like. This is a genuine Viqua replacement lamp, guaranteeing the quality and effectiveness of your water treatment. It requires an annual replacement to ensure worry-free water. If you value peace of mind and reliable water purification, you should consider this. What people say. The bulb is a perfect fit and works great. The product was exactly as described and works perfectly. Installed it and it works great. Number 2. Viqua S200RL HO Replacement UV Lamp. This is the Viqua S200RL HO Replacement UV Lamp. It is designed for the VH200 system. This lamp ensures your water is properly treated. This lamp is compatible with multiple Viqua models, including VH200, VH200V, and more. It is a versatile solution for your water treatment needs. The lamp provides reliable protection against microbial contaminants. It uses UV light to deactivate microorganisms, preventing them from reproducing. This ensures your water is safe and clean. The lamp offers reliability and stability in a compact design. It has a 1-year lifespan, after which it should be replaced for optimal performance. Replacing it annually ensures the system works effectively. This is a genuine Viqua replacement part. Using a genuine part ensures the best performance and safety for your system. Never look directly at the UV lamp when it is powered on. Ultraviolet light is harmful to your eyes and skin. Always follow the instructions carefully to avoid injury. What we like. This lamp provides reliable disinfection, protecting you from microbial contaminants. It is designed to be long-lasting, with a 1-year life. If you are concerned about the safety of your water and want a trusted brand, you should choose this one. What people say. Viqua D4 replacement bulb works perfectly. The product is exactly what I needed. The bulb is a perfect fit and functions as expected. Number 1. Viqua 602806 Replacement UV Lamp for E4 Water System. This is a genuine Viqua replacement part. It's designed specifically for the E4, E4+, E4V, E Pro 7 and IHS, E4, model systems. Ensure your water system continues to operate effectively with this reliable lamp. This UV lamp is compatible with a range of Viqua systems, including E4 series. It's important to use the correct replacement part to maintain the performance of your water treatment system. This lamp ensures your water is properly disinfected. For optimal performance, replace this lamp every 12 months. It has a long lifespan, providing you with clean and safe water. Regular replacement is key to maintaining the effectiveness of the UV water system. The lamp operates at 70 watts, ensuring powerful UV disinfection. It effectively eliminates harmful microorganisms in your water. This helps to keep your water safe and clean. This lamp offers a 9,000-hour lifespan, which is equivalent to 1 year of use. It provides consistent and reliable performance throughout its lifespan. Make sure to replace it annually for the best results. What we like. This is a genuine Viqua replacement part, ensuring the quality and effectiveness of your water treatment. It has a 12-month lamp life and high power. If you are looking for a reliable and high-performance solution for your water system, you should consider this. What people say. Use this lamp for the annual service for our Viqua ultraviolet bacteria and E. coli mitigation unit. It does the job to eliminate bacteria and E. coli. Fit perfect, worked perfect, received fast. Keeps our well water bug free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.